Guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're not doing any carving. We have my father-in-law's funeral to go to. He passed away a while back, and we finally were able to get him into his resting spot. So otherwise, great day, you know, beautiful outside. It's gonna be a great day for it. So I just wanted to show you what we're doing here today. Let me just turn it around. I decided to make some key holders with fish on it. So you can see that I did a walleye. There's a little pike, and then I'm working on a catfish, somewhat catfish there. So the basic concept is, you know, a nice old fence post, stained it, carved out a fish head, you know, just the half of them, put some little foliage around it, and then threw a fish hook in his mouth so it looks like he's gotten something. Though I also want to add some epoxy in there, so I'll be doing a pour inside of these guys. This one's just going to be a normal on there with two hooks for your keys, maybe a little bit of foliage around it, you know, kind of thing. So actually what's going to happen is one of these are going to be one of these two are going to be a giveaway in the next week or so. I'm just going to finish it up and I'll be posting it up. So very basic, you know, like, share, subscribe. You know, maybe it'd be nice if you just told a friend or something like that. That'd be cool. And just watch the video to the end. That's what we'd like to have, you know. And especially if you give it a like and a comment, that makes, if you make a comment saying you want in on one of these two, that'll get you in. And if you share it and a friend basically says the same thing, they'll be in on it too. So this will be up for maybe about a week. Like I said, I still want to do a pour in there, and then I'll show you the final result. And yeah, you'll be into winning one of them. I'll ship it out to you. We're going to keep it to the residents of Canada and United States because of shipping costs. Sorry about that if anybody's outside of it. And then, yeah, and also they'll be for sale if anybody's really interested in getting one of these for, say, if they're fishermen. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.